Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Raven Janelle, and today I'm going to be trying a 27 piece. I never did a 27 piece before. This was my first time trying it, and honestly it might be my last because I don't know if I really liked it. I might try a little mullet or something next time, but yeah. So I'm gonna start out with some cornrows, and I'm just gonna basically prep my hair and the wig caps basically. I'm gonna do about 4 braids on each side of my head, so 8 in total. And yeah, then I'm gonna start prepping my wig cap. So now I got my cornrows. I'm actually going to use 2 wig caps because when I did my quick weaves, the product that you use to mold down the wig cap, basically it got stuck in my hair, and it was just a very horrific experience. So this time I decided to use 2 wig caps. Honestly, I'm kind of winging this. I did watch a few little TikTok videos of people doing this, but this is my first time, so I'm just kind of using what I know of how to do a quick weave and just applying that to this, because it's basically the same thing, honestly. But yeah, so you're just going to see me mold down my wig caps. So for the first wig cap, I just used some Got2b spray and gel to just mold the wig cap to my hairline, and now I'm using some wraps to basically protect the rest of my hair from the second wig cap and the molding product that I'm going to put on. That's the stuff that got stuck in my hair before, so I'm taking this as a precaution this time. And I actually felt like it worked because I was able to plop it off once I was finished wearing the styles. So yeah, if you want to use this method, it actually does work and does protect your hair. So yeah. So now I'm just taking some protective shield and just rubbing that all over the wig cap, and that's basically the molding product and what's going to keep your wig caps in place and on your head. So yeah, I'm just going to spread that all around the wig cap, making sure to get my whole big ass head. Now that that's dry, I'm just going to go in and cut off all the excess wig cap and wrap that I see sticking out. And yeah, just clean it up and make it look a bit more neat. So this is me unboxing the 27 piece. This is my first time unboxing it. I never seen what it looked like, so at first I was a little confused. I'm like, why is it these little donuts? What? And then I got to see oh, the hair is wrapped around it. Because I was expecting some little mini bundles or something. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting. Somebody actually gave this to me, so yeah, I was like, why not experiment with it? But yeah, the technique that I'm using is basically the same one as if I was doing a quick weave. So I'm just going to measure out the track, like the length of my head, where the track would be at. And then I'm going to add the glue, dry it with the blow dryer, and then attach it to my head and then blow dry it some more to make sure it's completely dry. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to the top. Gonna lie, this had to be the easiest part, just gluing and like, you know, putting all the tracks in. But this part right here, oh my gosh, trying to cut it and shape it, like I was looking like a portobello mushroom for so long, y'all. Like I was really struggling. That's why I said this might be my first and last time, because I went through so much for the style only to wear it for like 3 days because it was too damn itchy. I couldn't do it. But yeah, you're just gonna see me cutting and just trying to shape it to my face and make it look cute on me. So yeah, watch me struggle. So after struggling for over half an hour, this is what it came out like. Honestly, it's not my style. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.